Welcome to Magitoots. In this tutorial you will learn how to zoom in and out in Canva. It's actually very simple. To zoom in, all you need to do is to use the slider here at the bottom of the page, and by dragging it to the right side you will zoom in. However, there is also a second method that you can use to zoom in and out of your designs, and that is by using Canva keyboard shortcuts. The keyboard shortcut to zoom in Canva is Command and plus in case you are using a Mac, and Control and plus if you are on a Windows PC. To zoom out, on the other hand, the keyboard shortcut in Canva for a Mac user would be to press Command and minus on the keyboard, while on a Windows PC the shortcut would be Control and minus. And that's it, guys. This is all you need to know about how to zoom in and out in Canva. I hope you did indeed enjoy this video. If you did, I would be most grateful if you could subscribe to my channel, and in that case, please don't forget to hit the notification bell. Have a great day, guys. Bye.